Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide rows in Excel shortcut. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have a purchase data. So here I'm going to use the arrow key to select the particular cell. So here I'm going to hide the 4 row number to 10. Okay, so select the first cell of the row number 4, then press the shift control right arrow to select the entire row. Then press the shift down arrow to select the below rows. Okay, so I select here the 4 to 10 rows. After that, press the Alt H O U R to hide rows. Okay, and the second way, simply select the rows first cell, then press the shift control right arrow to select the row, then select the row, press the shift down arrow. So here I'm going to hide 14 to 18 and use the shortcut key control 9. That's it. Here you see the row is hide. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.